Arctic warming is the result of mid-latitude warm air being transported in the Arctic, and the result is warming climates in the Arctic. It happens when the most air intrusions from mid-latitude result in increased downwelling long-wave radiation, warming the Arctic surface, the CSS. This event also leads to less harsh winters in the mid-latitudes of the United States. Arctic warming is a relatively new area of study just coming about in the 1990s, so experts are still unsure of the actual long-term effects that could possibly come about from the event. Some believe that the event comes from blocking where atmospheric circulation sort of creates a funnel of warm air that is pushed up and then the warm air and warms the Arctic surfaces, creating milder winters in mid-latitudes. Others believe that the slower jet stream may amplify the atmospheric blocking, leading to more extreme and persistent weather in the United States. So it is still quite unclear on the impact this weather forecast will have on the communities in the United States, and studies are still so new. Some believe that the meeting of the Arctic ice caps will lead to many extreme weather conditions for the rest of the world. One thing known for sure is that the strong influence of the Arctic coming from the mid-latitude circulation. Active research is still just too new to yet confidently determine an accurate conclusion.